Another GitHub tutorial. In this video, we're going to cover about the insertion, deletion, modification, um, and I just want to show it to you the process and how this makes sense. And by the way, this video is not good for an intermediate or advanced. If you already very familiar with GitHub, this is not for you. This video is ideal for those who are starting and want to know how GitHub works. So at the moment, we already uploaded the files into our repository, and let's say I'm going to change, let's start first with the modification. So let's say I'm going to change the wording. It should be booking, not booking. So we'll type in booking and Control S. And if you notice that there is a mark here called modified, which means the files is already modified, obviously. But when we do git push, it's freezing. But when we do git push origin main, it says everything up to date, branch main set up to track origin. But when you refresh the repository, the changes hasn't been updated. So why? Why it doesn't been updated? It's because it's just we modified the local files, but we didn't put this into the staging again. So you need to make sure that you are adding the files into the index. So we need to do git add. You can also write git add readme md, and it's gonna make this add it into the file, or you can just use git add dot. If you have a lot of changes into the files, it's better to just target a specific, like all the directories, or update a specific folder. Okay, and then before you push or you upload the files into your repository, you need to write a commit. Otherwise, it won't gonna push through. So let's say updated readme. And you see here, one file change, one insertion, and one deletion. Actually, I've done some sort of insertion and deletion later. Just disregard that part. But it's saying that we have updated the readme file. Now we're going to do git push origin main. And if we refresh this, it's the word already changed to booking. Again, always make sure that you add the files into the index first. Whatever you do, even you do insertion or deletion, you need to add that into the index first. You can also target a specific, let's say, if it's not pushing, like earlier what we did, you can also do something like this. Control C. Hold on, just why my computer is always freezing. But let's say you're not sure if it's added in the index, you can always do git add A, which means it's gonna be added. A means is you are adding the files into the index, so in the staging, which is ready for pushing. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna add a file, notes.txt file. This is notes here. You'll notice that the notes.txt file is marked as untracked. So it's still sitting in our local computer, but it's not gonna update. It's not gonna upload into our repository because it's not added in the staging. Like even though we do git push origin main, well, it says that everything is up to track, it's set up, but if you refresh it, the notes.txt file is not there because GitHub only read the readme, main, and other files in here. this U means it's not added in the staging. So how you can make the notes.txt file trackable. So you just need to do git notes.txt, or if you have a lot of files there, that's you added a lot of files and you updated a lot of files, it's better to do the dot, which is start getting all the files into your in we're targeting the root files. So git, and if you notice, the U turns into A, which means it says index added. So once there is an A mark there, GitHub can then identify and fetch these files to upload to the repository. So if you do git, but before we push the files, make sure that you write a message or you write a commit. Otherwise, it's not gonna push the file. So git commit message and then say notes added. And if we do git push new main origin. Oh, what's wrong? I'm sorry. Should be git push new origin main, which is the main branch. We refresh the GitHub repository. You'll see there's ready added txt file. And if you click this, you'll also see that there is a 1.1 plus, which means there is a new insertion or new file added into the GitHub. Now, what if we want to delete a files in here? Okay. If I delete the files, Control C, and let's say I'm going to do some sort of like git push again, main or origin main, it's not going to pick up. Okay, you're pushing, it's just like saying it's up to date, but it's not going to pick up because in the staging, the notes.txt file is still there. So always remember the updating the index or the development. So you need to do git add dot. So git adding your files, not just the root directory or any folder, it needs to be followed by a commit message. So remove what do you call that, notes.txt. That's the just a message of the commit. Okay, it says one file change. We've changed the readme earlier, and then one deletion. Okay, and then I'm gonna push that down. Yeah, push you make origin. So if you notice here, it's saying that we have 3 files done. And by the way, you don't need to, push, like if you're only updating a certain file, you don't need to add the directory, the root directories. You can just do git, and let's say you're doing a lot of changes into the includes, you can just do git add includes or something like that. So you're just targeting the include. Now, if I'm going to refresh this repository, the notes.txt file is gone. And if you click this commit in here, which says remove notes.txt, it says one line change, which means here, like it's very detailed what are the changes that we have made in this commit.